Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, you get a backup camera, we got some nice black and silver accents along this vehicle with mud flaps on the rear and front. We got that nice keyless entry pad. You just use the code and you can get in without the key. Got the F-150 logo there. We got a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpeted interior. We got your 6 additional seat with cup holders. You got a 12-volt and 2 USBs. And of course you do get a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat as well as passenger with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty more door space up front, lights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 120,120 kilometers. We get this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward, mode. We got our mute, voice, phone, cruise control, and toggle for your screen, which you can then go through trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driving assist, settings, and all that fun stuff. We got our drive modes right here, which do include normal, tow and haul, snow and wet, eco, sport, and all that fun stuff. To my right, we got our cup holders, storage, more storage here, your 6 additional seat with storage below. You get more cup holders if need be, but you can switch them to be back in here if you need the leg room. Got your sink that does open for more storage, USB, 12-volt, more storage here, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. We also do get your climate controls, some CD, 12-volt, more storage there, and above on the dash, traction, hazards, and auto stop auto start. We got a nice little keypad here, playback, play forward, shuffle, all that jazz. You can turn your screen on or off with this button. Radio, your settings, media, information, phone, because you do get Bluetooth, clock. Any apps you may download will be right here, and your vehicle settings. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE33255B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.